At the age of 17, I was sexually exploited. That turned into 25 years of repeated arrests, and when I turned my life around, it took years to clean up my criminal record. What if it was easier for exploited women to wipe the slate clean?
It forces you to relive what happened to you every single time. You have to check that box. The law is just incredibly complicated, and that's part of the reason that we created the app. When Professor Robinson came to me and said, I'm doing this class that has to do with technology, I thought, oh my gosh, I have the perfect thing for you. Dedman Law students turn the flowchart into the Texas Fresh Start app. The reason that the app is so useful is that it lets attorneys very quickly run through the client's criminal record and determine whether or not they're eligible for either an order of non-disclosure or to have their record sealed.
The app helps clear a path for survivors who are trying to rebuild their lives. It felt great to contribute to this project because I wanted to help women who had survived crimes against them.
Being able to have SMU support me and guide me to cleaning up my record and working with the students has been healing in ways I can't ever explain.